Subscribers have said, oh, it made my teeth whiter. So everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna talk about coconut oil pulling, but we're gonna be talking about GuruNanda Coconut Oil pulling. If you follow my channel, you know that I made a coconut oil pulling video with over 200,000 views, okay? And I am so grateful to my subscribers and anybody that watched that video and put in the questions for me to answer, okay? I tried my possible best to answer most of the questions in that particular video. I realized that a few of my subscribers did not know how to use the organic coconut oil, the solid one, okay? And so they were having issues. Quite a few people had issues with that, and so I thought, why not give them a different alternative? Hence, we're going to talk about GuruNanda, okay? Before I start, I promise I am not sponsored by GuruNanda. I am just doing this for my subscribers, okay? To let them know that if they're not able to use the regular organic coconut oil, there is a different alternative. If you haven't seen that video, I am going to put that video here, so click here, go watch that video so you have a glimpse or an overview of what coconut oil pulling is, and just know how it is done, okay? So on the side it says GuruNanda oil pulling is a natural pre-brush rinse inspired by Ayurvedic wisdom with lower density than coconut or sesame oil, okay? So it contains 100% coconut oil and essential oils, which is peppermint, tea tree, oregano, clove, spearmint, fennel, and cardamom, and a few vitamins. How does GuruNanda work? It works by aiding in saliva production and plaque removal and supports healthy teeth and gum. It is definitely not a replacement for dental care, okay? So now that we know about GuruNanda, I'm just going to explain it in simple terms so you're able to understand. So regular coconut oil, the one in the jar, the one that I made the video about, is just coconut oil. You take a scoop, you put it in your mouth, you swish around for a few minutes, and then you spit it out and you rinse your teeth. Now, this GuruNanda coconut oil is in a liquid form, okay? So it comes in a liquid form like so. I'm going to open it for you to see. Those of you that didn't know how to use the solid one, this is what it looks like. Can you see? Just like when the solid coconut oil melts in your mouth, okay? This already comes melted, okay? And it doesn't cake in the bottle whatsoever. I've had this for a few months and it's still the same consistency. It smells so good. It has all of the nice essential oils in it, okay? So how it works is that, like our other coconut oil, just put, it says to put 10 to 15 ml of the GuruNanda, okay? So we're going to try it together. This is the cup, okay? So we're going to do 15 ml. So I'm going to gauge here, measure 15. So this is 15 ml, right? What do? I'm going to put it in my mouth and I am going to swish. Do not swallow the coconut oil. Those of you that were asking me how to swish, if you don't know how to swish, then I cannot help you, okay? Swishing is like when you put water in your mouth and you do, that is swishing, okay? If you can't do that, then I don't know any other way to do it, but hopefully you're able to. It's easy. If you're having issues, just try small amounts, okay? And do it for a few minutes and just build up your momentum. I had a few bottles and I finished the whole bottle before doing the review for you. I actually like this better because it's easier to use. You can travel with it. Just look at how it is. You can get a travel bottle and put a little bit in it if you don't want to send the whole jar. Okay, so if you're having issues with the other coconut oil and don't know how to do it, get this one. I'll leave a link in the description box below to get it from Amazon if that's easier for you. Okay, and if this is your first time watching my video, you're gonna be like, what are the importance of oil pulling? Teeth whitening. Everybody wants a beautiful white teeth, okay? And oil pulling helps your teeth becomes whiter, okay? And even in my video, if you have the chance to read some of the reviews, some of my subscribers have said, oh, it made my teeth whiter. So it definitely works. Don't listen to me, try it for yourself and see how it works for you and see how you're gonna like it. You can read some of the comments under that particular video, okay? It reduces gingivitis, it strengthens the gum for fresher breath, it fights bacteria, it decreases bacteria in your mouth, it prevents bleeding gums. It's just, it has a whole lot of good benefits. Leave comments in the comment section below. I want to know, did you like using this tool? Did it help? And also I want to emphasize that if this is your first time, use small amounts and try it for like a minute and build up. Okay, do not go use a lot so you don't choke. Had a few people in my comment section saying they were choking. Please be very mindful of your health. Okay, make sure you don't choke. If you know you're gonna choke or you don't know how to swish, then don't do it. Just do your regular teeth brushing. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. I try to answer all the comments that my subscribers have for me. I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to press the notification button so you see other videos that I make. I will see you on the next video.